guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nazia and I'm a professional teacher, and I'm just made this channel so that I can help other teachers come up with fun and creative ideas for their classrooms, and I hope that you guys find these videos useful. So one idea that I used was Mr. and Mrs. Potato head, as you can see. These are easily found on Pinterest, and I use these to teach body parts and also link the body parts to the 5 senses. This is obviously suitable for a kindergarten because they need to learn body parts in a fun way, so I use this as the introduction to body parts and 5 senses. So what I did was I did not want to show them these 2 pictures as yet because I want them to sort of guess what is teacher making, and to just learn their vocabulary first before they can even see the picture completed. So basically I use this as puppets. This is felt, and you can buy felt from stationery stores, or if not, you can get them online. I just attached a piece of felt here and stuck the sides with the glue gun, and my finger fits perfectly, and you can use this as a puppet. This is just laminated paper stuck also with the glue gun. So if we can begin, this is Mrs. Potato. So basically it is made with felt. Everything is made with felt, and you can easily detach the body parts, and there's velcro at the back of the body parts to stick them onto the felt. So basically at first all you want is just only the, let's take this all out, the body parts all out. You just want to show the kids just the body at first. Okay, we can leave the hat. So if you put this on the board, kids will probably not know what it is at first and be surprised and would be willing to guess what it is. So you can ask them, and even you can take off the hat. So if you want them to guess even more, you can ask them, oh, what is it? What is teacher making? Oh, it has a hat. Let us see. And you can start to put the body parts. You can put the ears. You can say the vocabulary, make the kids repeat after you. So that is the ears. We've got her eyes, and of course you can teach eyelashes because she has eyelashes there. Then we're going to go for the nose, her pink nose, and her red mouth. There you go. I think her nose should be this way, sorry. There you go. Okay, so with Mrs. Potato is done. You can also include thereafter, there's the picture so you can look at it. You can include the hands. One hand. There's the other hand here. The other hand, and then of course you can attach the legs, and it will look like this. So that's Mrs. Potato, and of course the kids will have a good laugh at this because it's funny and it's silly for them, and it's also very fun. And of course Mrs. Potato cannot be alone. Let's detach all the pieces. We have to make Mr. Potato, so we are going to do the same with the Mr. Potato body parts. As you can see, the same thing. Let's just put the body parts nicely so that you can see. So this time Mr. Potato has a black hat. There's his eyes. So his hat, his eyes, his nose, his mouth. We have to include his ears and his hands. So one ear, the next ear. So that's how it looks. Attach the hands. One hand. Attach the next hand. Sort of like this. And of course his blue shoes. So one shoe can go there, the other shoe can go here, and there you go. Mr. Potato is done. And when you are finished, then you can just give the kids a small activity to do based on today's lesson. If they are able to say the body parts, they can do the puzzle, or you can help them to make the puzzle by themselves and just review the body parts, and also maybe the 5 senses with the kids as well. I also have the doll, the Mrs. Potato doll, and I also have another one at school that's similar to this picture. So I use this and just give the kids a turn to hug Mrs. Potato, and maybe can you touch her ears, can you touch her eyes, can you touch her nose, and kids obviously love it. It's silly and it's fun for them. I hope you enjoyed my video today. I'm still new at making YouTube videos, so I hope to improve in time. But if you have anything that you would like to say, you can just say something in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.